What will the future hold for us? Population. Current approximate population. Savaneta is inhabited by 81,797 people. Area. Urban area. 15 square kilometers. Weather. Average climate 21 centigrade. Education. Current situation of education. Public educational institution 8. Private educational institution 8. Higher level educational institution 5. Natural resource. Current situation natural resource. It has 9 rivers. Due to population growth, green areas are reduced and pollution is moderate. Urbanization. The population has grown in 49,000 inhabitants in 10 years, and with it the urbanization. Culture and recreation. Due to population growth, a project called Maria Auxiliary is being carried out that will benefit 20,000 inhabitants. Security. Crime figures are very low. Migration. At the last 10 years, 49,000 people have migrated. And thank you.